how to group tasks in Clickup. First, we'll obviously need to log in into our account, and then right here from the left hand side, I will simply go to the project that I want to use as an example, which is project 2 right here. So once you have selected your project, then you will be able to see these tasks here. So the first thing that we want to actually do first is click on the task itself, and then I'm going to set some tags here. So for example, I will do test and then press enter here, and then I will click on the close option. Now I'm going to add the same tag for this task as well here. So I'm just going to click on it and I'll type out test, find it here, and then I will close it. Now how can we group those? If we want to group those, all we have to do is click on customize here, and then you will see group. Once we click on group here, you can group it by status, assignee, priority, tags, due date, task type, and a custom field here. So I'm going to do tags for the tags that we just created. And now as you can see, both of these have the test tag, and now they have been grouped together. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.